One of the key things we're keeping an eye on right now is percent of original list price received. You're going to want to write that down. So today we're going to talk about what's going on in the market. We just got September numbers out, so we're going to give you a quick overview of what's going on nationally, and then we're going to talk about the entire Triangle area, and then we're going to dig into Raleigh a little bit. So first, let's start with some national numbers. Average days on market, that number has been flat, right? So it's static at 32 days on the market is the national average. That's not a good sign or a bad sign, it just is. And you gotta remember, this is the entire country that we're looking at on a national level here. Existing home price is actually up 5.9% year over year. It has increased to $272,100. Now, the interesting thing to note here that this is the 91st consecutive month of home price appreciation. 91 consecutive months of appreciation. It's a crazy, crazy record, and it's good news for anybody who owns a home and anybody who's thinking about owning a home. It's time to get on board and get that home appreciation for yourself. Looking at the southern region, which is the region that North Carolina is in, inventory's up 6.3%. Again, that's good news because we need houses to sell, right? There's not that much out there. If you're a home buyer in the market right now, you're going, please put some homes on the market. And then again, closed sales up 6% year over year nationally. Now, when we look at the Triangle stats, new listings increased 18.2%. We had 3,876 new homes go on the market in September. That's a good number. Again, more inventory on the market, more options for home buyers. Closed sales strong, right? Still strong, 12.5%. 3,260 homes closed in the Triangle in the month of September. And remember, the national number of closed sales is at 6%. So the Triangle is doubling the national average currently. Inventory overall, though, in the Triangle market fell 7.9%. We have a total number of 8,626 homes for sale in the entire Triangle. That's crazy low. Median sales price up 5.1%. The median sales price in the whole Triangle is at $276,000. Days on market. Again, this is one of those key indicators we keep an eye on to see if the market's starting to cool off or slow down a little bit. It is up 3.4% to 30 days. Guys, it's still too less than the national average. And back during the recession period, that days on market number was 90 to 120 days on the market. So well above where we're at right now. So that's still really quick to sell your home if you put your home on the market and it sells in 30 days. Now, let's take this down to the city level. Let's go to Raleigh and see what's going on in Raleigh. New listings increased 17.3%. The city of Raleigh had 859 new homes go on the market in the month of September. Closed sales up 7.2%. Again, still beating that national average of 6%. We had 683 homes go off the market or close in the month of September. Inventory fell 4.5%. Again, we're still selling homes quicker than we can put them on the market for people to buy. Our current inventory for Raleigh is at 1,524 homes on the market. Median sales price up 0.4%. So not a huge jump, but a little jump. We're at $271,000 is the median sales price in Raleigh. Days on market. Up again to 4.3%. So now we're at 24 days on market. Again, that's still stupid low, right? So if the national average is 32, the Triangle is at 30, we're only at 24. That's a really, really short time frame to sell your home. One thing we are keeping an eye on is percent of original list price received. Now, what that means is what percentage of the original listing price or the home or the price you put your home on the market for. So for example, let's say you put your home on the market for $100,000. You know, what percent of that original list price without any price changes or any drops in the price, how much of that are you actually receiving? So this is a good number to keep an eye on. We don't hear a lot of people talking about this, and we're starting to see a downward trend, which means that people are either overpricing their homes, which is pretty common whenever we have a really good market. And right now we're seeing it at 98.4% last year in September. So 2018, people were getting 98.4% of their original list price. We actually see that now at 98%. Again, this is just one of the indicators we keep an eye on to see if the market is shifting or cooling down a little bit. And a good quote by Susan Scott, she always said, things happen slowly, then all of a sudden. So it's just good to keep all these variables in place to see what's going on with the market. Overall, very, very healthy market. We're not seeing anything alarming going on right now. We have our seasonal slowdown going on. That being said, we have a very strong finish to our year right now. We're seeing a lot of home buyers out there, a lot of people putting their homes in the market right now. And guess what? That buyer pool is so concentrated, they're still selling really, really quickly. And again, remember, our team has over 30 years of experience in the Triangle area. So if you're thinking about selling a home or buying a home, we've helped thousands and thousands of homeowners and thousands of home buyers find the perfect home or sell their home with the least hassle possible. So call or text us at 919-867-1400 or go to our website, mathisrealestategroup.com, or go to any of our social channels. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, wherever. Message us, ask us questions on there, tell us how we can help you guys. And as always, remember, we look forward to helping you take the next step in your real estate journey.